Hi there, welcome to our channel. In today's video, you will be learning some of the basic steps on how to set up your TikTok Ads Manager. TikTok's algorithm promotes viral content which can help increase brand visibility and recognition quickly. Creative and engaging ads can go viral, giving brands exposure to millions of users. Setting it up is quite simple. First, go to your browser and search for TikTok Ads. Then click on this result that says ads.tiktok.com. Then sign up for an account. Just click on sign up now here. Then just put your email and password. Then click on sign up. Then just answer the verification that appears here. Then click on confirm. After that, just enter the code that you will receive to your email. Next, you will just need to fill out this form by putting information about your shop or business. So this includes your business name. If you have a website, just input that here as well. Then the industry where your business belongs. I suggest that you make this as general as possible, especially if you are planning to test and sell different kinds of products in the market, so they won't offer you anything that you don't need. Then just fill in other information needed such as country, currency, time zone, and contact number. Tick this box and click on confirm. When this appears, just click on accept. After that, select your preferred payment method. So with automatic payments, TikTok automatically charges your linked payment method once your ad spend reaches a certain threshold or at the end of a monthly billing cycle. You provide your credit card or another payment method when setting up your account. While manual payments, you manually add funds to your TikTok Ads account before your ads run. You need to ensure there is sufficient balance in your account to cover your ad spend. Funds are deducted from your preloaded balance as your ads accrue costs. In summary, automatic payments offer convenience and seamless ad operations, while manual payments provide stricter budget control and prevent unexpected charges. The choice depends on your advertising strategy and budget management preferences. So here, let's just choose automatic payment. Then click Go to Ads Manager. So this one can be set up later. So let's go to our dashboard first. So here you can still input some other information about your business and your account. Then when you click on campaign, this is where you're gonna create your ads and start running your ad campaigns. And that's it. Thanks for joining us today. See you in our next video.